yazi ingane zesithembu is coming back this coming Thursday at 8 o'clock. It's about to go down. Zizoxabana lezi ngane. I'm telling you, ingane zasesithenjini. Actually, it's very rare. Uzuthiwa nje zama-best friends, zi-right from abanye omama. I'm like, about this thing is not gonna end well. Ngapha uMsamseleki uthi uAbongwe akathatha ikhampani kubo yena who's running the show. And Abongwe is not even there. Abongwe is concentrating on her life. Guys, Abongwe, after she graduated, and also even before she graduated, she had a YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel is taking other directions almost every day. I was looking at it the other day. I'm just like, she's making it in life. She's busy with lighting. She's busy with equipment. She's buying. She's busy with her life. Literally, which means she was saving money. I started from Uthando Nesithembu. Nazi ingane Nesithembu. She's just like, oh, Mpumelelo wafika wamgibela baba. Kwathwena wayefonela ukuthi uAbongwe kubo yena uthatha ikhampani. And uAbongwe is not even there. And most people are just like, no, it's no Abongwe. In fact, because she's more respectful. She went to school. She has a degree. She's just on point. She knows what she's doing. So sizobona from Thursday, but you have born ukuthi kuzothuthwana le ingane zizoxabana, because uMsamseleki is pushing a narrative ukuthi, you know what guys, umuntu akayimele, which is true guys. You can't be lokubelethele nengane in life nje. I don't know how other parents do it, but bakhona abanye ama-parents azenza lezo zinto. But ingane, you need to let them be, you know. And uMusa uyakhetha naye and uzoxabanisa lezi ingane zizoxabana. uMpumelelo, you know, people are just like this. Yinje ungayiphatha wena. I was saying sifuna uAbongwe. Someone was even saying ukuthi no Abongwe knows what she's doing and friendly. Yeah, those were the words. Not even ukuthi she's respectful. She's more like friendly. So that's what we need to see. Come on. Indaba ucabanga ukuthi uAbongwe is better than us. Guys, sibona this thing. Kodwa kuzothuthwana, I can just see it coming. And you can see ukuthi uyabona uAbongwe is not into fighting and stuff like that. So someone was even saying, "Good, Umusa must make a right decision." I'm like, I'm going the right decision as uAbongwe, but uAbongwe doesn't, or if uAbongwe doesn't really care about that. And uAbongwe is the type. She is the type. I need anyone to fall back on and like she's not that person. And there's a chance of you don't need that. Stop that. Kuningi guys that's about to go down. Umayini is angry ukuthi they went and loboladi without telling her. They went behind her back. Kuningi, but that one we saw even on Uthando Nesithembu. The last season 9, where she was just saying, actually, I don't want to be involved anymore. I'm done. Yeah, and also, and she's actually seen here, Eti, angifuni kuba involved emjolweni wakho. Ungene nowe. Yo, kuningi kanjani guys? It's just about to go down on the season on Ingane Zesithembu.